271 question. Page number 271, question number 14. Extremely important for exam. This type of sum, this sum has come in board exam many times. Now, Chirag, Jigar, and Keshav are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. Balance sheet of their firm on 31/3/2016 was as under. Capital, Chirag, Jigar, Keshav, general reserve, take 3:2:1. Creditors, land and building, machinery, investment, stock, debtors, bad debt reserve, cash. Value of land and building, increase, take land and building, machinery, investment, debtors. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 36,000, so we'll have to find the gain ratio. 22,000 outstanding later. Seventh adjustment market, very important. Chirag and Jigar will bring necessary amount in cash and in such a manner that amount due to Keshav is to be paid in cash and the balance of cash may remain in the firm as working capital 14,000 and their capital in new firm become proportionate to their new profit loss sharing ratio. Prepare necessary accounts and balance sheet of the new firm. Okay, let's start. Capital by balance brought forward. By general reserve. Amount is 6,000, so 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. Creditors, no adjustment, 44,000. Land and building, 50,000. Machinery, 20,000. Investment, 10,000. Stock, 10,000. Debtors, 20,000 minus bad debt reserve. Cash to balance brought forward, 2,000. Let's do the adjustment. Value of land and building is increased by 20%, so plus. By machinery valued at 90% of its book value, so minus revaluation 10%, so 2,000, 18,000 to machinery. Investment 150% of its book value, by investment. Bad debt reserve is to be decreased by 5%. So 1,000, 19,000 minus 1,000 by bad debt reserve. Goodwill of the firm. Let's find the ratio. Chirag, Jigar, Keshav. Old ratio. 3:2:1. New ratio. And gain ratio. Who is retiring? Keshav. No information is given. So 3:2, 3:2. Share of Keshav in goodwill is equal to, goodwill is 36,000, so 36,000 into 1 by 6, 6,000. This 6,000 will be credited to Keshav and debited to Chirag and Jigar in ratio 3:2. Chirag's capital account debit. Chirag's capital account debit 3,600. Jigar's capital account debit 2,400. To Keshav's capital account 6,000. Let's do the posting. By Chirag's capital account by Jigar's capital account 3,600 and 2,400 to Keshav capital account 3,600, 2,400. Rupees 2,000 is outstanding for salary payable to an employee. So, two outstanding salary. $2,000. Find the profit first. Two partners, capital account. $12,000 by revaluation account. $19,000. Now, come to the adjustment. Adjustment number 7 is the most important adjustment. Chirag and Jigar will bring necessary amount in cash in such a way that amount due to Keshav, what's the amount due to Keshav? 90,000 is to be paid in cash. Okay, so let's pay off first to cash account. Keshav's due 19,000. Second effect by Keshav capital account 19,000. What else information is given? There, please. And the balance of cash may remain in the firm. And the balance of cash may remain in the firm as working capital of 14,000. Now, please. 2,000 is what I am having. I have to pay 19,000 to Keshav. At the same time, I want that my closing cash balance should be of rupees 14,000. Now, who is going to bring this money? Partners. Okay, now we read further. And their capital in the new firm become proportionate to their new profit loss sharing ratio. So the partners will bring the deficit in such a way that their closing capital will be in the new profit loss sharing ratio, which is 3 is to 2. See, we have cash of 2,000. We have to pay 19,000 to the partner. Now, if we bring the difference 17,000, we will have no cash balance left with us to continue our business. So we need some cash as our working capital to meet our day-to-day expenses. Now, this closing 14,000 plus this 17,000, we have to bring this money in such a way that the closing capital will be in the new profit loss sharing ratio. Is this clear? Now, first, working note 2, let's find the balance of capital. Capital balance. This is unadjusted. Chirag. 35,400. Okay, so Chirag is 35,400. Jigar 20,600. Do the total. 59,000. So closing capital what we have is 59,000 plus how much cash is to be brought in the business we want. Okay, I'll write it over here. Keshav, so we have to pay 19,000. Closing balance of 14,000 minus opening balance of 2,000. So how much cash? 31,000. So total 90,000. All of you understood this? फिर से एक बार, रिटायरमेंट का कंसेप्ट तो पता ही ना सबको कि कोई पार्टनर चला जाता है तो उसको पैसा देना पड़ता है ना, उसको पैसा दे दिया पर मेरे पास पैसा है ही नहीं. I have only 2,000. I have to pay 19,000, so I have 17,000 less deficit plus I need 14,000 of my closing cash balance. So how much money the partners have to bring is 31. 14 minus 2 is 12 and 19 is 31,000. So total is 90,000. This is the total capital. Total capital 90,000. In what ratio? 3 is to 2. So let's find out Chirag and Jigar. 54,000, 36,000. क्या करेंगे इसको? First we write over here 2 balance carried forward. Working note 2. 54,000, 36,000. and 36,000. Okay. अब क्या करेंगे? Normal balance. The difference will be to cash or by cash. Let's find out. Chirag. Let's start with Chirag. Debit side is more. 57,600. By cash account. Balancing figure. $18,600.
Yes.
Okay. Give the second effect. 2. Chirag. Capital account. 12,400. 2. Jigar's capital account. By balance carried forward 14,000. Cash 14,000. Capital 1,36,000. Go through that last part once again.